you doing, Daddy?
I am making a tomato sauce for some pasta because I'm going to have some tomato sauce with feta.
What's wrong?
I forgot to buy the fettuccine. Ah!
Oh no.
I know, oh no, I've got the sauce and no fettuccine. What am I going to do?
Well, we can make our own fettuccine.
For reals?
For reals?
We can make our own fettuccine.
Yep.
Do we got enough stuff?
Yep, you only need 2 ingredients.
2 ingredients. Just 2?
Only 2.
Well then let's get started. Let's make some fettuccine, shall we?
We shall. Today's ingredients are 14 ounces of semolina flour and 7 fluid ounces of warm but not scalding hot water. First, you're going to add your water into your flour and mix until crumbly. Now that I've combined my flour and water until crumbly, I have formed it into a ball here. And I now put that on a lightly floured surface, and I'm going to knead this ball for about 10 minutes. Now that I have kneaded the dough for 10 minutes, I'm going to place it in a bowl and cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now that our pasta dough has rested, we're going to separate it into 2 sections and roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Now that we have rolled out our pasta dough, we're going to cut it into little strips. Like so. And place it on our pan until ready to cook. Now that we've cut our fettuccine, we're going to put it into the boiling water and cook for about 5 minutes.
Well, there, we did it. We got ourselves some fettuccine. We got ourselves tomato sauce. Some other stuff here for this. I'm ready for it to go in my belly. I'm going to start getting me some.
Nope.
Psych! You didn't get me. I knew it was coming. Every episode, she assaults me. Video games, they're terrible. They breed violence in children. Ah! I know. We got to call the taste tester, right?
Yeah.
So let's call the taste tester so I can start eating. See? I'm learning.
Taste tester!
Hello, taste tester son.
Hello, Daddy.
Are you ready to taste some noodles?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
Would you like the noodles with just a little salt and cheese, or would you like some tomato sauce on there?
Just salt and cheese.
Just
please.
salt and cheese. Very well. Excuse me, young man. We'll get you a little bit. You can taste it. Tell me how it is. Look, there's some on your plate. We're going to get just a little bit of salt. Put the salt on there. A little cheese. Maybe a little more cheese. And if you would, sir, please tell me if I can start eating. Uh-huh. Does uh-huh mean that's good and I can eat it?
Yes.
Yes. Well, all right. Daughter, would you like some?
Yes, please.
All right. I'm going to start serving this up to everybody. Don't forget, everyone, if you would, like, subscribe, tell your friends about this. And remember, it's fun cooking with your family. Little sauce?
Yes, please.
We'll get a little sauce on there. Some nice color. Little cheese?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. There we go. Daughter, here's yours. Son's almost ready for seconds, and we haven't even tried it. So let me get a little bit here. As we do this up, guys, what's so special about this house?
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Well, folks, see you next time. Have a great day.
Bye.
Woo, 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 woo. Finally gonna taste it as we dance and eat in the kitchen. Ah. Oh yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, flip the bone. I'm not even dancing. I'm getting my feet.